Kasama ko po ang ating best player of the game, PJ Simon, with 22 points, 4 rebounds, 7 out of 13 field goals, and 7 out of 7 free throws. Terrific exchange of baskets ang pinakita ninyong dalawang koponan yan. But of course, your presence nung third quarter hanggang fourth was very pivotal. So sabihin mo sa amin, where did you get that footing on your offensive end?
Unang-una, I want to thank God for this another opportunity na binigay sa amin, another chance. And yun nga, sabi ko nga na medyo malakas talaga sila. Kaya yung mindset na namin is the game played 5-on-5. So, kaya inisip ko lang talaga yung leadership ko dun sa court. And gusto ko sana maging involved yung lahat and then magkakumpiyansa kami lahat.
Leadership is what we really have seen during the game. Ang gusto naming malaman, what kind of leadership and performance ang kakailanganin pa ng Star as they go to the do-or-die game on Wednesday.
Another do or die, and hopefully lahat ng mga pure good Star Hatsas pupunta ulit dito para supportahan kami. And hopefully mag-work ulit yung game plan namin for another do or die.
Ito nga, no, kasama natin ang mga Star fans sa likod. Pero anyayahin pa rin natin ang mga nanunood ng Sports5.ph para suportahan kayo this coming Wednesday.
Yes, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Gusto ko lang batiin yung President ng Simonatics. Happy birthday, AC. And lahat sa mga kababayan ko dyan sa Makilala North Cotabato. Maraming salamat sa tatay ko, sister ko, and kuya ko, and sa lahat ng mga taga-Davao.
The Star Powerhouse team has reawakened. Abangan natin ang kanilang susunod na laban sa Wednesday.